Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to install the new Microsoft Store in Windows 11. Open Microsoft Store. Select Library from the left side list. You will see all apps available for the update. Click on Get Updates to check for updates. Click on Update All button. You can also set up automatic updates. Click on the account icon at the top right corner of the window. Choose App Settings from the list. Look for App Updates. Turn the switch on to enable automatic updates. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!